got na station from T3 kanina. So, from Jewel, lipat ka ng T3. From T3, sakay ka ng Tanamera?
Tanamera.
Tanamera. And then from Tanamera, lilipat ka ng train to City Hall. From City Hall, 1 station away, dito ka na sa Dubiga. Ayan. We arrived here sa YMCA. Again, kanina from Dubigat, meron siyang exit na A, and then merong one orchard, and then Penang Road. Any of those exits, pwede nung i-take, and then just walk. Going here sa YMCA, it will only take around 2 to 3 minutes. Then, makita niyo na yung logo na YMCA. Here's our room sa YMCA 1 Orchard. This is a family room, good for 2. So, we have expandable bed. Tapos, ito na yung aming view. Here naman sa right is yung aming bed. So, ito yung view. Pakita ko sa inyo. Supposedly, we're only in deluxe, but they're very generous enough to upgrade our room for a family room. So, here's our washroom. Merong toilet and bath. They also have sink. Ayan, tapos may space pa siya. And a table, a personal ref here. Kettle mug, coffee, tea, the remote control for the TV, a little vanity, and then here's our cabinet for the wardrobe, and space here for your stuff as well. Ayan. So here's your view from the cabinet. Spacious enough na for 2 packs. Happy birthday!
Wow!
Hi! So, this is our day 2. Sunday ngayon. Hindi masyado nakapag-film yesterday kasi umuulan din. But yesterday, since we arrived here in Singapore, we just explored the Jewel, yung Vortex. Tapos, nag-Chinatown kami. Then, nagpahinga lang ulit dito sa YMCA. Tapos, nag-explore lang ulit. And then now, we're going to Gardens by the Bay and then sa Art Science Museum. We are walking towards from YMCA to Dubigot Station. So, ayan. Now here in Dubigot, and then 2 stations away, we're going to Orchard Station for the Ion Mall. So doon kami mag-brunch before we head on to St. Andrews and Chinese. Since it's Sunday, visit din kami ng mga churches here in Singapore.
take me there, you make me better. When I hold your hand, I leave the ground. Hey,
We're just going to B4 kasi ito-try namin yung yakong kaya. And yun, nasa B4 siya.
now it's you and me.
We're now here at Marina Bay Sands. So, kanina from City Hall, sumakay lang kami pa Bugis and then interchange to Bayfront. Sa Bayfront, exit C lang kayo, then Marina Bay Sands. So here sa Marina Bay Sands, bukod sa malapit yung Gardens by the Bay, Merlion, and the Art Science, if you want luxury brands, you can have it here sa mall na to. We are now going to Gardens by the Bay. So we're done with the Art Science Museum. So kanina galing kami Marina Bay Sands. Tapos nag-Art Science Museum kami. Then pinatila lang namin yung ulan. Now we're going to Gardens by the Bay. Nasa bridge kami going there. Guys, ito lang yung Cloud Forest. And then Flower Dome. Yung attractions na binook namin is both may access dyan. Unahin lang muna namin siguro yung Cloud Forest. And so once you enter the Cloud Forest, yung bubungod sa'yo is yung waterfall nila. Just fun fact, yesterday when we explored the vortex sa Changi, sa Jewel, that is the first largest man-made waterfall, and this is the second one. And so both will be seen here in Singapore. Then we'll continue walking sa Loft Room. So, ito naman ay Tree Top Walk. Hi! So, I just decided na before ko ilagay sa luggages yung mga napamili natin, mag-haul na tayo and then i-compare na natin kung saan mas mura mamili ng mga souvenirs natin. But first off, bumili muna ako sa Irving's ng jalapeno cheese. Also, their salted egg flavored na noodles. Actually, ito binibenta to sa Bugis but way more expensive than dun kayo bumili sa mismong store. This cost around 14 ata, parehas lang, 14 or 15 SGD. Okay, simulan na muna natin. Kahapon namili kami sa Value Dollar Store located sa Chinatown. Yung napamili lang natin is yung mga Danish na Singapore chocolates. We have 3 flavors. This is hazelnut, almond milk, and milk chocolate. Tapos, I also bought small ones. Ganun din. Yung total na napamili ko is 18 SGD, 1850. O yun. Tapos may na-add lang na mineral water na 1.05 SGD. So, 18 yun. 1850 siya. Now, yung napamili ko sa ABC Bargain na pinuntahan natin sa Bugis, ang total cost ko lang is 1630. Mas mura. At, obviously, mas marami ako napamili. So, tignan natin ano-ano ba itong mga to. First off is, meron ako nabiling truffle. 1, 2, alam ko 5 pieces tong truffle na to. Yan. Yung truffle, meron siyang hazelnut, coconut, and strawberry flavors. Assorted na siya. And halal. Let's see how many pieces each pack. So, I guess mga more than 10 to. Pwede na, diba? Next is, I also bought Hershey's Exotic Dark, Raspberry, and Goji. Wala kasi sa atin ito, so papatry ko lang. And then, Kinder na crispy. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Again, yung mga chocolates, this is not for me, guys. Mapapasalubong lang natin yan. Ito yung para sa akin. So, nakita ko ng mura nito. Vicks na double power cough drops. Kasi laging, hindi naman laging nubo, pero laging natutuyo na ng lamunan. I also bought some Himalayan salt drops. So, tatlo yan. Diba dami natin na pamili, pero 1630 lang. Tapos, ito bumili ako ng Snake brand. Originally sa Thailand to, if I'm not mistaken. So, cooling powder siya. Once nalagay nyo, yun, malamig. And then, this is a lavender variant. Meron itong original lang. Then, I also bought a Himalayan salt ginger lemon flavor. So, different to dun sa isa kanina. Kasi ito with vitamin C added. Ito, parang ginger lemon lang siya. Then, last na napamili ko, tatlo nito ng Himalaya Palm Balm. So, mahilig ako nito, yung mga nilalagay sa mga masasakit. So, fast relief from pain. Tapos, yung variant niya is mint. Ayan, may tatlo. So, yun lahat yung napamili natin so far. All I can say is mas mura nga dun sa ABC. Though sa Bugis nyo siya pupuntahan. And, makita nyo naman sa video na sobrang daming tao. So, if I were you, yung mga usual naman dati doon, meron din mga KitKat, ganyan, mas mura. Kuha na lang kayo kagad ng basket and then enjoy shopping. Lang ulit kami kasi lagi kami na-curious. Dito sa shop na to. Ayan. Sa iJuice. So, fresh orange juice siya. Tapos, $2 lang. So, let's try! naman kami ngayon sa Cable Car and Universal Studios. From Dobigot, may direct connecting train going to Vivo City kasi doon kami sasakay ng cable car. So, this is what it looks like on a Monday morning here in Singapore. Hi! So we are now here sa Sentosa Island. We are done riding car and naabutan pa rin naman na Hello Kitty yung theme nila. It's just around 10 minute ride, and then after that, we'll just go here sa bus stop A going to Universal Studios. Kind of nostalgic since my first vlog happened here in Singapore way back 2019 with my family, and now I'm with my hubby, so it's just a surreal feels that I'm back here in Singapore. And yeah, time meron bagong new attractions here in Universal Studios, which is the Minion Land. Nakaka-open lang ng Feb 14, so we're going to try it out maybe later because we're pretty sure na jam-packed yung Minion Land.
See what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand.
So, doon na kami doon sa Transformers 3D. At mabilis lang naman yung pila, and then yung ride, almost 4 minutes yung tinagal. Now we're in the Revenge of the Mummy.
Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question, question, question. And thank you. Anywho.
I'm walking on sunshine. I'm walking on sunshine. On is just like, so as we break the fires at the nightlight. Hey! Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like a light.
We may now begin the recruitment process.
Good morning! So it's our flight going to Manila. It's currently 7 a.m. Grabe, no? So, usually dito around 7:30-ish, sun's out na. Our flight is 11 a.m. The same lang din yung way namin. We'll just take MRT going to the Changi Airport. kami sa self-check-in, self-baggage, immigration. Now, we're just waiting for our flight. So, as usual, after the immigration and yung mga shops, then, we'll just grab some breakfast as well kasi it's currently 8:43, 11 pa yung flight.